We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for abducted children from Muskingum County, Ohio. The children were last seen at 531 Main Street, Zanesville, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2008 silver or tan Chevrolet Suburban with Ohio license plate number HVZ6139. The suspect is unknown. The abducted children are Isaac Shamblin, a 3-year-old white male with blonde hair, last seen wearing a hunter green t-shirt, black sweatpants, black shoes, and Cale Clark, a 1-year-old white male, last seen wearing blue Columbia jacket and a white onesie. Please call 1-877-AMBEROH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message. Stay tuned for further instructions.